I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with Essentials. Make sure your iPhone is running the required iOS and CarPlay is active. This matters because CarPlay mirrors permitted UI elements only. Once ready, choose the wallpaper image on the iPhone under Settings right arrow Wallpaper so the phone holds the source file. Now connect to the car, use USB or the car's wireless CarPlay pairing. Keep the iPhone unlocked so settings can sync. This first step ensures the image is available when CarPlay requests a background. Once done connecting, navigate CarPlay's home screen and open Display or Appearance settings. Different head units label it differently, which is why you check. You then choose Wallpaper and pick the option that imports from the iPhone. CarPlay accesses images you preselected on the phone. Make sure to crop and set blur or color tint as available, because CarPlay applies overlays for readability. When you tap Apply, CarPlay saves the background for that vehicle profile, so future sessions recall it automatically. To finish, verify the new wallpaper appears across CarPlay views. If it doesn't show, restart the CarPlay session by disconnecting and reconnecting the iPhone. This forces a refresh. If options are missing, make sure both the iPhone and the vehicle firmware are updated, because compatibility controls which UI features are offered. As a final troubleshooting tip, reset CarPlay settings on the iPhone and repair the vehicle. This clears cached profiles and usually resolves stubborn sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.